Hello, everyone. Kim Bradley here from Magnet Forensics to share with you how to acquire Facebook public activity via the cloud module in Magnet Axiom. By capturing this data directly from Facebook, we will be getting the most up-to-date version of a particular user's activity. So I'm going to start with Axiom process already open and go to my evidence sources. I'll select Cloud and then Acquire Evidence. I'll acknowledge that I have the proper search authority and then select Facebook. We'll be collecting public activity, and then we'll need to provide any Facebook user's credentials. This is just simply so that we can get into Facebook so that we can collect the public-facing data. These credentials will not be associated with the acquisition or the case file. After logging in, we can change the type of logical container this acquisition will be saved to by clicking Edit. We can narrow down the date range by selecting before or after a particular moment or a custom date range. Then we'll need to select the target profile. You can find the target profile URL by searching on Facebook for the particular user and then copying and pasting that user's URL into this target profile URL text box. It is very important to note that after you paste this URL, you will need to type a / at the far end of that particular URL before clicking check. Next, we'll get a list of content that we can acquire from this particular profile. By selecting Timeline Post, you can also select the comments that may be acquired, noting that it may take additional acquisition time. And then click Next. Go to Processing Details. If we open the processed acquisition in Axiom Examine, we can see the Facebook friends, the timeline posts, and the media we've collected. In the past, you may have processed warrant returns and also analyzed Facebook data from computer and mobile devices. These artifacts may be somewhat dated, as they may not be the most current version of particular user activity that is on Facebook. However, those artifacts may still prove to be equally as important to your investigation, since the data may have been deleted from Facebook or no longer associated with that user profile. So it is important for us to consider all of our data sources. Thanks for watching.